It used to be that when billionaires got bored, they would buy themselves a train car or try to fly themselves around the world in a balloon. It seems those days are behind Richard Branson, as he looks set to race Jeff Bezos this summer to see which of the billionaire's pet space companies can get them up there first. Rather than truly being a battle that's been years in the making, it's more a race that started a long time ago and has somehow ended up with the protagonists arriving at the finish line together. Jeff Bezos decided to start moving some of his Amazon earnings into a space project in 2000, founding Blue Origin. Richard Branson took a break from water skiing around his private island back in 2004, founding Virgin Galactic on the back of the Spaceship One project, winning the Ansari X Prize, as the first reusable non-governmental craft to make it to space. Progress has been slow for both companies, with setbacks along the way. It's taken them nearly 2 decades each to get to this point. For comparison, SpaceX was founded almost 2 years after Blue Origin, and has been flying its Falcon 9 beyond the edge of space into orbit since 2010. Both Blue Origin and Virgin Galactic's passenger craft are not designed to go that far, but rather to take paying passengers beyond the Kármán line and into space and near weightlessness before returning to Earth. Blue Origin looks set to commence commercial operations of its new Shepherd craft following successful uncrewed flights in January and April this year. They've announced a target date of July 20th for the first crewed flight, which will fly an auction winner along with Jeff Bezos and his brother Mark. Virgin Galactic are also making good progress. They flew their Spaceship 2, the VSS Unity, to space with a flight crew at the controls at the end of May. Their next step is to make 3 more flights with passengers in the cabin before paying customers are welcomed aboard. The plan was for the first of these to have 4 crew members, then the second to feature Mr. Branson, and then the third to be flown by members of the Italian Air Force. However, with Blue Origin dangling the 20th of July date in front of them, it could prove too tempting for Branson to dive in and try and get there first. Virgin Galactic are reportedly considering switching their CEO into the first of these 3 flights, potentially allowing him to beat Jeff Bezos into space. The company are yet to confirm a date for their next flight of the VSS Unity and maintain that safety is paramount. But if they're hoping to get there first, they will have to move fast.